I'm Sierra and I'm a volunteer at the Children's Museum of South Dakota. Today we're going to be making nature journals, which is a really fun way to go outside and document nature and stuff. So the materials that we're going to need are a piece of construction paper or any colored paper in any color that you'd like, 6 to 10 pieces of just normal computer paper or white paper, a pencil, a Sharpie or other black marker, a stapler, and other things to decorate with, like colored markers, stamps, stickers, crayons, anything. So first you're going to take your piece of colored paper and set it on the table, that. And you're going to take your white paper and set it just on the inside, so the colored paper is just on the outside. You can trim this off if you want, or you can keep it there, whatever you like. Now you're going to fold it in half, make sure it's even. Like that. You're gonna open it up again, make sure it's lined up, and you're going to staple it. This might be easier if you have a bigger stapler, but I don't, so. Okay, I'm back with the bigger stapler. So you staple it right in the middle, there. And if you need any help with this, just ask a parent or adult or trusted guardian. Ta-da. Now, you are going to write nature journal on it so that you don't get it mixed up with all your other books. Now you can decorate this as much as you want with anything that you want, really. And then you can go put it to use. At our local park. You can really do this anywhere. You can go on a walk in your neighborhood. You can go to your park. You can go in your own backyard, really. Also, make sure that you have a pencil and a hard surface like a book or a clipboard or a piece of cardboard. Okay, so what you're gonna do is while you're on your walk or in your backyard or at your park, you're going to look around, and if you see something that you like or that's interesting to you, like my example, these leaves, you are going to draw a picture of it, document what they feel like, what they look like, where you found it, the day it is, the weather it is, any useful information basically. And then when you get back home, if you want to, if you're really interested in that thing, then you can look it up. Like you can look up green plant that grows in the spring, and then you can look it up and you can research it. You don't have to do this with plants either. You can do it with animals that you see, like if you see a bird, or your own pet really. You can document your pet. Anything. So I've got my journaling done for the day. I hope this inspires you to get out and enjoy nature, and thanks for playing along.